Good morning, MGI students. This is the video explanation for the lesson for 10-6 Tuesday. Okay, this is the lesson for both A and B day students on this day. Today, what you're going to do, if you go to Schoology and you go into Globalization, week 4. So today you have two things. One is a 5 themes of geography project. Okay, the instructions are here. It just says follow the instructions on the attached Google document, and then submit your assignment in Schoology. It can be a Google Slides, Prezi, poster, a Google document, etc. If it's not the one that I mentioned here, just get it approved through me. So if you look at the options that I gave you here and you're like, I don't want to do one of those, I want to do this, that's fine. You just need to email me and get approval before you do that. Then if you click on the Google Doc, which is where the instructions are, you'll go through. So it says using the 5 themes of geography, design an online poster or Google document, Google Slides, Prezi, or other presentation method if approved by me based on the information about your life. And this is what the poster has to include. So you have to have a title of the poster and title of each theme. Okay, location, place, human environment, interaction, movement, and region. Okay, and each theme must include the following stuff listed below. And I'm not going to read through each of these to you, but here you can see that they're all listed out for a grand total of 30 points. If you have questions about what this Google Docs is telling you, you can either send me an email, or if you're in person, when we discuss this, you can just ask me. The other part of what you have to do, so you have this, which is a project, and then the second piece that you have is the discussion board. And the discussion board question is, why are physical and geographic characteristics important to human interactions? How can our physical environment affect human behavior? Okay, so those are the two things you have to do for today, 10-6, which is Tuesday. So regardless of if you're an A student or a B student, this is the assignment for today. Thank you. Bye.